Good morning. Come and look what present your daddy got for you. Come here, there's a present.
Did you?
Your daddy made you a present.
Did you?
Yeah, you want to see it?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Say good morning.
Oh.
Look.
Train. Wow. He got for me.
Yeah.
I got it.
What do you think?
It's a big choo-choo train. He got a present for me.
Yeah.
It's a whistle.
Yeah.
Got my Thomas one.
You're going to put your Thomas on there? Look at this. There's another one. Wow.
Got ya. Got ya. Got ya. My face got ya. I got ya. Look, there's another face.
Wow.
Look, it's a ding ding. Look, it's a ding ding ding. Look, I'm fine. Look at Twine Island.
Yeah.
The Thomas. There's another one.
Yeah.
Wanna try that one? It works. I press that button and it's what's that one work? I don't see Thomas.
Thomas is probably in your room. We can put him on there in a little bit. Look, there's a helicopter over here, and there are people, and look at the tunnel.
You gotta go on the two tunnels.
Yeah.
It has another train car to go. Let's go around the tunnel. Wow.
Cool. Wow.
It's flying.
Do you like it?
It's flying.
Yeah. Do you love your train station?
Yeah.
It's neat. Look, there's a whole train station over here. Do you see where the...
Look. Look. So
Yeah.
the train.
Yeah, it's like a construction site.
Look, it's a truck. See?
Yeah.
It's a construction site.
That's so cool.
Let's try that train. It's loud. You can Stop. It's gotta be on. Look, it's gotta be a beach lane. Look at these train cars. Look at these train cars. I put on the black one and that one on. Oh, it's not on yet. Put that one on,
What do you say, Michael?
please.
No, what do you say to Daddy about this?
A train one.
You say thank you?
Thank you.
Do you love it?
Yeah. I put on the blue one. Oopsie daisy.
Oopsie daisy.
There, Mommy.
Oh, wow. It's a big train.
It's a big one. It fell off. There's a car. Look, the car is here to the train. The people are gonna say hi. See?
Yeah.
The people's gonna say hi to the choo-choo train. It don't have eyes anymore. I put the car on. Oh. The car wants to go too. Oh, I missed.